Net 10 is a completely new type of system. We're calling it a building intelligence system, and it's a combination of access control, video management, and building automation, all in a single package that works fully integrated out of the box. A brief look at the different components. This is the Net 10 server. It's completely plug and play. You take it out of the box, you plug it into the network, and it's got a web link on the bottom. You go to any browser on the network and you browse to that web link and you'll be straight in to our web interface. This is using HTML5, so you haven't got any annoying plugins or any software to install or anything like that. This is the building block of the system. We're calling it a Net 10 controller. This will actually look after 2 doors. It will also record video from 2 cameras. So we've got 64 gigabytes of industrial storage here. It's a PoE device, and we've also got a Bluetooth smart gateway for wireless connection to smart devices for identifying people. Here we have the Net 10 readers, so 2 different versions. They read all type of RFID tokens, and again, they've got Bluetooth Smart built in, so they're designed to work with smartphones and smart wearables. Here we have something called Net 10 Smart Point. You won't see anything like this in the industry. This is a completely wireless, battery-powered device that can be installed inside or outside. It's got a 10-year battery life, and it's designed to read smartphones and smart wearables. Okay, so I can just hold my phone near to the smart point, press the smart point, and it's instantly going to prompt me for biometric verification. I can verify myself, and we can see that the door is opened. The identification of people has never been easier.